Hello friends and welcome back to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about ARCTIC Senza is a passively cool under desk PC equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 5700G APU. So friend, the ARCTIC Senza is a desktop class mini PC without any fan and is announcing the new PC design completely different from most system we know. The PC is fully passively cool and is designed to mount it under a desk. And this PC is offered in three configurations: 5500 GT, 5700G and 5700G Pro. This means user get a 6 to 8 generation 3 core and either RX, Vega 7 and Vega 8 graphics card. And the APU is cooled by two large heatsink connected by four very long heat pipes, and there are no fans in this PC. The PC itself measures 536 into 180 into 50 mm, making it one of the largest mini PC we know of. But for good reason, the slim design and the underdeck installation make it an interesting alternative to smaller PC and that generate noise. And the connectivity ports including main connectors including Ethernet, power, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB and remain on the PC itself. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.